Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 27th, 2023. I hope everybody had a great Thursday out there. I hope everybody's having a great Thursday evening out there also. Also, hope everybody's enjoying the weather because it's the only weather you got. And also, staying safe and well out there also. Okay, if you're a new viewer, have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and you're in. And also like these videos and share these videos. And let's get into the forecast topics for today. Okay, first we're going to take a look at the forecast charts for your Friday and Saturday outlooks. Second, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the lower 48. Number 3, National Weather Service watches, warnings, and advisories. Number 4, the NOAA National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center overview and a few other products as well. And finally, last, number 5, is the National Weather Service radar. Okay, from Columbia, South Carolina. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast now. And you can skip through this video to find out what part you like the most. And also, if anybody out there, if you would like to comment on these videos, y'all welcome to. Any feedback is welcome. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, and let's dive on into the forecast. Alright, we're going to start off in the northeast and work our way around. Alright, we got quiet conditions over New Hampshire and portions of Maine and New Hampshire and Vermont. We got rain showers extended from near New York down to Philadelphia, all the way back into Montreal, Canada, Toronto, Canada, back over to Chicago, Illinois. We got some mixed precipitation over portions of northern Wisconsin, also northeast Minnesota. We got shower and thunderstorm activity over Minnesota, back to southern Wisconsin, through Iowa, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma to Texas, to Louisiana, through the Gulf of Mexico, also back into Florida, back through the Georgia and Carolinas, all the way up into portions of Pennsylvania and Ohio as well. And we have some general, maybe some severe weather possible in the yellow slashed area over here in the Texas area. Also, we have some mixed precipitation over here in portions of New Mexico, back up into Colorado, and also in the Denver area. A few little pockets over Nebraska and South Dakota and North Dakota as well. We got high pressure dominating the west coast, so that's why y'all going to be nice, dry, and sunny for your location. And also down here in southern Arizona and southern New Mexico, we got portions of some critical fire weather possible in y'all's region. Alright, let's take a look at your Saturday forecast. This is April 29th. We got rain showers extending from portion of Maine to New Hampshire, all the way to Toronto, Canada, Montreal, back into Michigan and Wisconsin area. We got mixed precipitation over portions of northeast Wisconsin and southern Canada, and also mixed precipitation over here in portions of North Dakota, western Minnesota, and portions of southern Canada. Got a few thunderstorms over in portions of southern Minnesota. Also, we have shower and thunderstorm activity from Chicago, Illinois, back over to Boston, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., through Virginia, the Carolinas, down into Florida, all the way back over toward the Texas area, toward the Houston and Dallas area, also in the portion of Oklahoma and Arkansas as well. We have some flash flooding possible in the yellow slashed area there. And we still got quiet conditions along the west coast from North Dakota all the way back to West Texas and back toward California, Seattle, Washington area. Y'all are nice and dry, and fair weather is expected. Alright, let's take a look at the weather radar now. We got scattered activity over Maine and portion of southern Canada. Sorry about the pop-up. We got also got some scattered activity just around the New York area, just well off the Connecticut area, offshore there. We got some shower and thunderstorms off the Outer Banks of North Carolina, Ohio, back down into West Virginia and Virginia. Got some activity also in Montana, with more shower and maybe a rumble of thunder possible over Nebraska, back in the North and South Dakota. Minnesota, you may be getting maybe a rumble of thunder or two as well, with some shower activity. Also, we have some scattered showers and a few snow showers over southern Canada as well. quiet along the west coast, all the way from Washington State back to Texas. Guam, you got a few scattered showers around your island. Also, we got some scattered snow showers and showers over southern Alaska. And also around the Hawaiian chain island, we got some activity around the middle portion of that region. Okay. Now let's take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories for your locations. As you can see, we got quiet condition. We got a few counties up here with a wind advisory in portion of Pennsylvania. We got a flood advisory for portion of upstate South Carolina around the Greenville area. Also, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for portion of east coast of Florida, central Florida, and portion of the panhandle of Florida and southern Georgia, with some severe thunderstorms in y'all's vicinity, and special marines warnings along the coastal areas of the east side and also in the panhandle area as well. We have another severe thunderstorm watch over portion of Alabama, Mississippi, and Arkansas and southwest Tennessee. We have a few severe thunderstorms as well ongoing also. Also, we have some flood warnings in effect for a portion of northern Wisconsin, also northeast Minnesota. We still have that river flood warnings in effect for South and North Dakota as well, with some river flooding there. We got a few severe thunderstorm warnings also in effect for portions of Nebraska and also eastern Colorado. And also Kansas. Also, we have some wind advisories over southern North Dakota, much as South Dakota. We have some winter weather advisories for portion of Colorado back into Wyoming, and also portion of Montana. Red flag warnings in effect for southeastern Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. Wind advisories also in effect for New Mexico and also Colorado and portion of eastern Utah. Hydro issues over Utah as well. Flood warnings in effect for a portion of eastern Idaho back into portion of Nevada, and also in effect for portions of California and Nevada border. Also some hydro issues over Oregon State and also into Washington State as well. Also some wind advisories also in effect for portions of southern Idaho. Quiet conditions across Alaska, and the Hawaiian chain island looks a-okay, and nothing in effect there. Okay, well, here's a look at the Storm Prediction Center Outlook Overview area. As you can see, there's that activity going on from, like I said, from Missouri to West Virginia, and also into North Carolina, down into Georgia and South Carolina, back down into portions of the Panhandle of Florida, moving on shore there. Got severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for portions of, a severe thunderstorm watch, for portion of Alabama, Mississippi, and portion of Arkansas and southwest Tennessee. And let's take a look at convective outlook. That goes right along with it there. That just took the precipitation out. Let's take a look at the watches. There's the watches that you can see in blue. East coast of Florida, central Florida, and also over here around the Panhandle. Also over here in portions, like I said, Alabama, Mississippi, and portions of Arkansas and southwest Tennessee. The MDS discussion, they was thinking about putting a severe thunderstorm watch here, so they're going to keep an eye on that just to see if they need to keep a watch in effect a little bit longer. Take a look at the storm report for today. They updated it. It's supposed to be one tornado report. We got down here, they just haven't updated this one yet, but I'll take a look at the one down here at the bottom. When they took this report, it was 0. Tornado report, wind reports 20, one with high, hail report 15, 0 large, total of 35. But then down here we got a new, we got 1 tornado. Also we had 24 wind reports, and also hail with 16 reports as this recording as of right now. Let's take a look at the fire weather. We still have some fire weather issues over portions of New Mexico and portions of few counties right there along the New Mexico-Arizona border as well. All right, here's a look at our local radar here in Columbia, South Carolina. You can see we got scattered activity over portions of Fairfield, Kershaw, back into Richland County, back to Sumter County, over toward Darlington County and Florence County. Shower and thunderstorm activity in this vicinity as well. We got this big blob of precipitation here, maybe some embedded thunderstorms. A lot of heavy rain is occurring with this system here as it continues to track off to the northeast. So over the next little while, this precipitation will continue to move through the area and drop a lot of rainfall. We have more heavier precipitation, maybe some rumbles of thunder as well from around the Augusta area to Aiken, to Greenwood, Newberry, maybe up toward Anderson, also toward the Greenville, Spartanburg area, getting a lot of heavy rainfall there. Also, a storm trying to develop in York County that may move toward the Charlotte area as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather because that's the only weather you got. Consider subscribing. Love to have you. Smash that subscribe button and you're in. Like these videos, share these videos, and we'll catch you back in the next one.